Hi friends, so today I'm here at Sobha Heartland and this is a exclusive luxury villa. You will understand why I'm taking the word exclusivity. You can see I have entered the villa now and this is the living area. This is the actual layout of this villa. Left hand side ground floor, right hand side the first floor. Let me take you quickly how this luxurious villa looks like. This is the guest room on the ground floor. Technically it is a first bedroom and it is a 4-bedroom villa, by the way. You can see the quality. I have already discussed earlier in my earlier videos about Sobha. Sobha is all about quality. You are buying the quality over here. There is not very much number of inflow over here, very much number of supply over here. You can see the quality of the washroom. Amazing. Comes with a bathtub and all the technology which I have shown earlier, it's the same in this villa as well. So this is the garage. You can see the automatic, it's opening over here. Wonderful. So I was talking about the exclusivity, very limited supply of the villas, apartments and townhouses over here. So you are living in a very closed community. So this is the kitchen serving area. This is not the actual kitchen, this is a serving area. And by the way, kitchen comes fully equipped. This is the actual kitchen. Fully equipped, that means the white goods are included. You don't have to take anything from outside. Everything is inbuilt and Siemens company. This is the refrigerator. Down you have freezer. You can see oven and everything is included. Whatever you can think of. The washing machine plus the dryer, both are included in the white goods section. These are some of the cupboards. And just beside kitchen you have the maid's room. So this is the maid's room. By default, maid's room comes with the washroom. So you can see split AC is there in the maid's room. Now I'll go and show you the amazing living area and also the swimming pool. So this villa comes with this swimming pool. Yes, you're right. A well-maintained garden and a swimming pool. So this is the first part of the living area. Technically it is a dining area. This is the guest washroom. This washroom is nothing less than a 5-star washroom. Amazing quality. This property is actually a 5-star property, I would say. Now this is the living area. Huge. You can see the ceiling heights. It's G+1 ceiling height. Open. I would like to show you how beautiful the ceiling looks like, how high it is. Wow. This is an amazing villa. Now I'd like to show you the swimming pool and the garden. I'll go there and you can feel it, how beautiful, how big it is. And by the way, it has a provision that you can extend the swimming pool for yourself and you can keep the garden space smaller. It comes with this palm tree as well, by the way. Doesn't it? It sounds very good. Really cool. Now this door opens completely if you're in the living area, and in the winter season you can see the entire door opens. This was on the right hand side. Similarly, there is another door on the left hand side. So entire thing opens up and you have the wide view of the swimming pool and garden from your living area. Now I'll go upstairs and you can see upstairs there is a 3 bedrooms. Every room is en suite over here. Now this is the second bedroom. This villa you can see as a furnished one because it is a sample villa. Wow. Earlier also I have showed you properties of Sobha in very much detail because Sobha is all about quality. They deliver quality and I mean it. Everything you can see is a perfect thing. Now this is the living area upstairs, where here you have seen sofa over here, but it can be used as a play area for the children. Now this is the third bedroom and it is a master bed. So this is for the skylight. So in the daytime also you don't have to switch on the lights every time. It is making the room natural. You can see huge washroom. Lavish, I would say. It has got also a standing shower along with the bathtub. Now I'd go to show the bedroom much in detail. You can see the sofa, basically for the guests or breakfast. You can see you can have a newspaper over here. Amazing. Now this can be used as a study area or doing the work for your office. Now small balcony. I'm saying small because the other part of this villa is huge. You have very much own private swimming pool. And from the bedroom you have seen this private swimming pool of yours. Amazing. Now I'm going to the fourth bedroom. Now this is the fourth bedroom. You can see every room is so spacious, delicately managed, well furnished, well maintained. Very good height of the ceilings. So perfect. Now this is the washroom of the fourth bedroom. So technically it has got 5 washrooms because it includes a guest washroom as well. The latest technology everywhere. So regarding the price of this villa, I would say it ranges between 11 to 12 million to 13 million, depends upon the built up. If it is a corner villa, the size and the plot size changes, and so does the prices. So I'm going back to the living area once again. You can see how beautiful this villa is. And if you want some more details about the size or the price or what is the availability or the bookings, you can give me a call. Feel free to give me a call, and you can send me a WhatsApp to know much more in detail. I'd like to answer your questions. Thank you.